Alright, we're going to put on a metal roof boot today. It is just your normal roof boot for any type of metal roof. Just so happens on this one we're re-roofing. And we did a screw replacement and now we're doing a boot replacement. So my guys have already got the old boot off and now we are going to size the hole. And then we're going to cut the hole out. We're going to get our snips and we're going to cut this hole out. You always start smaller. You can go by the words, but the numbers on the boot, but they don't always work out the best. And so you always go smaller, and if you have to, you can go bigger. But you can't ever go smaller once you've done it. So when the boot's first taken off, you've got to clean all the old caulk away, scrape it with a putty knife, and then you're ready for your new boot replacement. And so it should fit nice and snug like that. Some guys do this a little different, but I like to put, you got a pencil on you? You can do this a few different ways. You can draw a line like this, and to know where your boot is going to sit. Then you can add caulk under it, or like David does, that's holding the camera, he put a nice little bead on it.
You stanch.
Yeah. And he places it. So they're actually made to seal by themselves, but it's just added protection to use this MP1 product. See your screw gun, Dave.
Talk about being unprepared.
And so you're gonna start out like David just showed us, that he can start in reverse a little bit, and it'll burn your hole out so that you can put it forward and it doesn't spin your boot or anything. And now I spaced these out about 1 inch apart. And we're getting some squeeze on the MP1 that we put under there, which is good. It's what you want. We've got the rubber squeezed out, and then we've got MP1 squeezing out, so that tells us that we're doing pretty good. And then you don't have to run quite as many down the sides. Or quite as close anyway. And these are stainless steel screws. They don't, because we're doing a screw replacement, they don't have a magnet. They don't stick as well in our bits. These have magnets in it, but these don't. These don't stick. So, like regular ones do. And then these you can space out even just. Because, obviously, water doesn't run uphill. When we're done, run. I like to run a little bead down the side and across the back. There we go.